My concern, of course, is that with the massive military buildup in the Caribbean, it's going to a place of a new regime change war in Venezuela that's not been authorized by the Congress, that doesn't have a democratic mandate behind it, but that, democratic accountability, public accountability will be very hard to establish and move, at least until, there's a shakeup in our political system. That's my worst fear. My best hope is that we are going to move toward more bipartisan scrutiny of this particular policy, more calls for transparency, and more frustration when those calls for transparency and compliance with the law aren't being met. And so I know that there has been some pretty sharp criticism of the leadership of Secretary of Defense Hegseth. I think to the extent that this unlawful policy continues, to the extent that he continues stonewalling Congress when it's trying to conduct oversight, that criticism needs to keep up. It needs to increase. Because I think one of the most dangerous things, one of the things that the founding generation was terrified of, and that I think we all still should be terrified of, is an unaccountable military.